Imagine this, you're browsing a flea market or an antique shop. Suddenly, a piece of furniture catches your eye. It's a bit rough around the edges, hidden under layers of thick, chipped paint. But you see potential. You can envision this piece restored to its former glory. Underneath those layers of paint, a beautiful piece of history awaits. Maybe it's a solid oak dresser from your grandmother's childhood, or a charming pine bookshelf that once held countless stories. Whatever the piece, you're ready to give it a new lease on life. The first step? Removing that old paint. It's a journey of discovery, revealing the wood's natural beauty and setting the stage for a stunning transformation. With patience and care, you'll bring out the best in your furniture. And soon, your home will be filled with pieces that tell a story. Old paint isn't just about aesthetics, it can be detrimental to the wood's health. Over time, paint layers trap moisture, creating a breeding ground for mold and mildew. This trapped moisture can warp the wood, compromising its structural integrity. Additionally, multiple layers of paint obscure the wood's unique grain patterns and natural beauty. Stripping away these layers allows you to appreciate the craftsmanship of the piece and prepare it for a fresh, flawless finish. Think of it like this. You wouldn't apply makeup on a dirty face, would you? Similarly, stripping the old paint provides a clean slate for your furniture makeover. Sanding the stripped wood ensures a smooth surface, perfect for new paint or stain. There are 3 primary methods for removing paint from furniture: heat stripping, chemical strippers, and sanding. Each method has pros and cons, and the best choice for you depends on the type of paint, the furniture piece, and your comfort level. Heat stripping uses heat to soften the paint, making it easier to scrape away. This method is effective for multiple layers of paint, but requires caution to avoid scorching the wood. Chemical strippers use powerful solvents to dissolve paint, making them suitable for intricate details and carvings. However, they require careful handling and ventilation due to their strong fumes. Sanding uses abrasive materials to remove paint mechanically. It's effective for flat surfaces but can be time-consuming and may remove some of the wood beneath the paint. Choose the method that best suits your project and always prioritize safety. Heat stripping is a popular choice for removing thick layers of paint, especially oil-based paints. It involves using a heat gun to soften the paint, making it pliable enough to scrape away. Tools you'll need: heat gun, paint scraper, ideally with a carbide blade, putty knife, wire brush, safety goggles, respirator mask. Process. First, prepare your workspace. Work outdoors or in a well-ventilated area. Protect your work surface with drop cloths. Wear your safety goggles, gloves, and respirator. Next, heat the paint. Hold the heat gun a few inches from the surface, moving it continuously to avoid scorching the wood. As the paint softens, use your scraper to lift and remove it. Work in the direction of the wood grain to minimize damage. Finally, use a putty knife or wire brush to remove any remaining paint and crevices and details. Safety tips: never leave a heat gun unattended. Keep the heat gun moving to avoid scorching the wood. Work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling fumes. After finishing, clean up your workspace and store your tools properly. Chemical strippers offer a powerful solution for removing paint, especially in intricate areas. These strippers contain solvents that break down the paint's bond with the wood, making it easy to scrape away. Tools you'll need: chemical paint stripper. Choose one appropriate for the type of paint. Disposable gloves. Choose chemical-resistant gloves. Respirator mask. Paint brushes or foam brushes for applying the stripper. Paint scraper *, steel wool, mineral spirits. Rags process. First, prepare your workspace. Work outdoors or in a very well-ventilated area. Protect your work surface with drop cloths. Wear your safety goggles, gloves, and respirator. Then, apply the stripper. Following the manufacturer's instructions, apply a thick layer of stripper to the painted surface. Cover the stripper with plastic wrap to prevent it from drying out. Allow dwell time. Let the stripper sit for the recommended time, usually 30 minutes to a few hours, allowing it to break down the paint. Remove the stripper and paint. Use a paint scraper to gently remove the softened paint. For intricate details, use steel wool dipped in mineral spirits. Finally, neutralize the stripper. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to neutralize the stripper on the wood surface. Safety tips: always wear protective gear when working with chemical strippers. Work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling fumes. Dispose of chemical strippers and waste properly according to local regulations. Clean up your workspace thoroughly after completing the project. Sanding is a versatile paint removal method, especially effective on flat surfaces. It involves using sandpaper or a power sander to physically remove the paint layers. Tools you'll need: sandpaper, various grits, starting with coarser grits and progressing to finer grits, sanding block or electric sander safety goggles, shop vacuum, optional for dust collection process. Start with a coarse grit. Begin with a coarser grit sandpaper around 80 grit to remove the majority of the paint. Progress to finer grits. Gradually move to finer grits of sandpaper 120, 150, 220, smoothing the surface with each pass. Sand with the grain. Always sand in the direction of the wood grain to prevent scratches. Clean the surface. Use a tack cloth or damp cloth to remove sanding dust before applying any finish. Safety tips: always wear a dust mask and safety goggles when sanding. Use a sanding block for better control and to prevent dips in the wood. If using a power sander, let the sander do the work. Avoid pressing down too hard. Inspect the surface to ensure it's smooth and ready for finishing. You can combine methods. For instance, use heat stripping for the bulk of the paint removal, followed by chemical strippers for intricate details, and finish with light sanding for a smooth surface. Always test your chosen method on an inconspicuous area of the furniture first to ensure it doesn't damage the wood. Once the paint is removed, inspect the wood for any repairs needed. Fill holes with wood filler and sand smooth. After stripping and sanding, nourish the wood with furniture oil or wax to restore its natural beauty. Transforming furniture is a rewarding process. By removing old paint, you're not just refreshing a piece of furniture, you're uncovering its history and giving it a new chapter. So, grab your tools, put on your gloves, and let the transformation begin. We'd love to see your upcycling projects, so don't forget to share your before and after photos. Enjoy the satisfaction of your hard work. In this chapter, we'll explore advanced techniques for paint removal, including the use of eco-friendly solvents and tools for intricate details. Stay tuned for expert tips and tricks to achieve a flawless finish. When it comes to eco-friendly solvents, products like citrus-based strippers are not only effective, but also safe for the environment. These solvents are less harsh on your workspace and your health, while still breaking down the paint efficiently. For intricate details and carvings, consider using specialized tools, such as fine wire brushes, dental picks, or even small brass brushes. These tools can reach into the nooks and crannies that larger tools might miss, ensuring a comprehensive paint removal process. Another advanced technique is the use of infrared heat guns. Unlike traditional heat guns, infrared heat guns heat the paint evenly and reduce the risk of scorching the wood. This method is particularly useful for large, flat surfaces. Finally, always have a set of high-grit sandpapers at hand. After the bulk of the paint is removed, use finer grits to smooth out the surface and prepare it for its new finish. Remember, patience and precision are key. By combining these advanced techniques with the methods we've previously discussed, you'll achieve a professional, flawless finish that breathes new life into your furniture. Happy stripping and upcycling! With these tips, your furniture will look as good as new, ready to be showcased in any room.